Hello and welcome to a new episode of Train Set, and today we're at Ayres Lane on the Midland Main Line, where you see service from East Midlands Railway, Thameslink, and with Eddie Luck's Freight as well. I'm going with somewhere different, Anthony, because I'm going to give the East Coast a bit of a break. So this will be two parts, I think. Yes, so two-part, 1.5 hour parter. So let's crack on. So, with that being said, let's see what shall turn up. Okay, the first train to pass by is a pair of East Midlands Railway 360 from London to Pancras to Corby. 360, 103 leading. 360, 115 bringing up the rear. Okay, we have something coming south. I can hear it. Triple 202 working in East Midlands Railway Meridian service from, I will have a check once I've got it set up. Once the real-time train is set up. Yeah, so I'm filming Ayres Lane this time, Anthony. So yeah, I thought I'd do a slight change. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a Thameslink 700. .004 going from Bedford to Gatwick Airport. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Thameslink 700 from Sutton to Luton. .016. Oh yes, give me that breeze to cool me down. Nice. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a pair of East Midlands Railway 360s from Corby to London St Pancras. 360, 102 leading. I think 360, 105 brings up the rear, I think. I'll have a check. Also, the Meridian heading south was from Nottingham. Okay, we've got a 700 coming through from Brighton to Bedford. .022. Bear with me a moment. There we go. Sorry, I had the charger in. Okay, the next train to pass by is an East Midlands Railway Meridian from London St Pancras to Sheffield. Triple 006, and also .025 going from Luton to Sutton. We have 222 I couldn't talk, I'm afraid, because the helicopter annoyed me. There was a helicopter coming through. I should have a check where that's going from, then I'll get that in the next clip for you. Okay, the next train to pass by is an Eastman's Railway Meridian from London St Pancras to Nottingham. Triple 2017. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Thameslink 700 from Bedford to Brighton. (700-138), and I'll keep recording as we have a 66 coming down. I shall leave that to Anthony to check on that one. Bear with me. Just put your headphones on. It's a GBRF 66. 66702. Nice wind picked up. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Thameslink 700 from Gatwick Airport to Bedford. (700) 140. 140, Anthony, 140. Okay, the next train to pass by is a pair of Eastman's Railway 360s going from London St Pancras to Corby. 360, 120 leading. With 360, 112 bringing up the rear. Okay, we got something coming south. Looks like a freight train. It is indeed, no. It is indeed Freightliner 66223. Where's it going from and going to, Anthony? Okay, the next train to pass by will be another pair of Eastman's Railway 360s. 360, 114 leading. With 360, 109 bringing up the rear going from Corby to London St Pancras. Okay, we've got a Meridian coming through. I didn't quite look at the number of that one because it had a bit of dirt on it, but this is going from Nottingham to London St Pancras. I'll check what that number was, then I'll get it in the next clip for you. I've got someone coming behind me. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Thameslink 700 from Sutton to Luton. (700,041). Due to bad turn, we'll have another Thameslink 700 coming down, going from Brighton to Bedford. A second. We got something coming south. 700. 108. That'll be going from Bedford to Brighton. Then we have 700, 152 going from Brighton to Bedford. Okay, we've got something coming through. (700,016). 1 second. Yeah. Sorry about that. I didn't even hear it coming. Working a Thameslink service from Luton to Sutton. Okay, the next train to pass by is an Eastman's Railway Meridian from London St Pancras to Sheffield. (22019). The Meridian that went south from Nottingham was, the number is 22016. The Thameslink 700, the 12 coach, I think, I actually got it wrong. It wasn't Brighton, it was actually bound for Gatwick Airport. Okay, the next way to pass by is at Eastman's Railway Meridian from Sheffield to London St Pancras. (22018) bound for Nottingham. Okay, we've got a 700 coming through, I think. Yep. (700, 132). I will double check where that's going to, and yeah, I'll double check on that. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Thameslink 700 from Gatwick Airport to Bedford. We have 22003 and 700 111. Meridian going south is Sheffield to London St Pancras. It was a 7 car. Okay, the next train to pass by is a pair of Eastman's Railway 360s from London St Pancras to Corby. 360, 105 leading. With 360, 102 bringing up the rear. Okay, the next train to pass by is another pair of East Midlands Railway 360s from Corby to London St Pancras. 360, 106 leading. 360, 119 bringing up the rear. Okay, we've got a Meridian coming through. Yep. Did look at the number, I'm afraid, because the fence is in the way. I will check what it was, then I'll get it in the next clip for you. Okay, we've got a 700 coming through. (700 147) and 700 021. The one going south East Bedford to Gatwick Airport. The one going north on the 8 coach East Brighton to Bedford. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Thameslink 700. No idea where that's going, I'm afraid. (700 130). Can you say where it's going from, Anthony? Okay, the next train to pass by is an East Midlands Railway Meridian from London St Pancras to Nottingham. Sorry, to Sheffield. To 2023. And I'll keep recording as we have something coming south. (700 041) working a Thameslink service from Luton to Sutton. Okay, we've got something coming south. Meridian. 22001, it's a 7 coach. I will have a check where that's going from. And I can see a freight train coming down. I will pause it and let it get a little closer. Right, we've got a 66 and looks like an Atlante coming through. I can't get the number on the Atlante, I'm afraid. I will tell you what the number is on the 66, which is EWS 66023. Where's that freight train going from and going to, Anthony? And I can hear something coming south. 360 101. No idea what the rear is, I'm afraid. This is the empty stock run. This is going from Bedford to Quickerwood and ENA sidings. Okay, we've got a Thameslink 700 coming through. (700 118) from Bedford to Brighton. Okay, our final train for part 1 is a Thameslink 700 from Gatwick Airport to Bedford. (700 142). Right, bear with me, guys. Right, sorry about that, guys. I had that lady coming through. Right, guys, I'm going to leave part 1 there. I'm going to go into part 2 now, which will be the final part. Thank you all very much for watching part 1. It is greatly appreciated. If you haven't seen any more trains this part, the rest will be in part 2. So, hopefully I can get part 2 done and over. So, guys, I will see you all in part 2. Take care, guys. Goodbye.